Still feels just like yesterday. You were smoking on my porch. You know I hate it, but I stepped outside and you said, don't go. And all the times when we drank too much and we stayed in bed all day, telling secrets to forget the world, and you said, don't go. All those things you did with me, locked my feelings on repeat, oh. How you get so far from me, I still hear you saying, don't go. Don't go, I know it's not over, I know it's not over yet. Don't go, hold on to whatever's left.
Still feels just like yesterday.